Good morning, student. This is Harshara teacher from St. Thomas Bethany Convent School, and today we are going to learn the Night of the Scorpion figures of speech and appreciation of the poem. So, first we will see the figures of speech of the poem. With the figures of speech inversion, the hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath a sack of rice. With the figures of speech transfer epithet, flash of a diabolic tail in a dark room. So here it is a use of transfer epithet. I have already explained what is transfer epithet. Then and a burst the name of God. Hyperbole. It is highly exaggerated statement. The name of a god is 100 times said by the people. It is an exaggerative statement. Then next is throwing giant scorpion shadow on the mud baked wall. It is a pun. There is a double meaning in a giant scorpion shadow. The shadow are of the people searching for the scorpion with candle and lantern. They look like a giant scorpion. Then may he sit still. Name and explain the figures of speech here. Also a personification. The scorpion is addressed as he and given the attributed human qualities. Then my mother tasted through and through, growing on a mat. So here it is a onomatopoeia because the sound is conveyed through the word growing. Then repetition. Through is repeated in the same line twice. Then trying every curse and blessing. It is an antithesis. Two words opposite in meaning. Curse and blessing are used together for greater poetic effects. Then powder, mixture, herb and hybrid. So it is a climax. The idea are arranged in ascending order so that it is a climax as well as it is an alliteration also because the H letter is repeated in the one sentence. Then simile, like a swarm of flies, it is a simile also. Then metaphor, throwing giant shadow on half-baked walls. It is a metaphor. Then onomatopoeia, birds, the name of a god, click their tongues. Here the burst and click are the two images of sound so that it is a onomatopoeia. Then now we'll see the various images are used in the poem. How it is used in the poem, the explanation of the images. They came like a swarm of flies. Many people came learning about the string. They came to show support, offer prayers and help in the only way they could. Then the burst the name of a god. The chanting of God's name was spoken by so many people that it sounded incomprehensible. It is also compared to the sound one hears when insects are buzzing as they all talk at the same time. And so that we cannot listen any single voice also. So that it is called the bird's name of the god. Then they threw giant scorpion shadow on the mud baked wall. These lines shows the extent to which the scorpion had endured upon the lives of the people, and the images of the scorpion is what the people are see around. The next one is they clicked their tongue. They wanted to sympathize with the family and they wanted to listen the movement of the scorpion and spreading venom in mother's blood so that they clicked their tongue. So these are the various images and figures of speech used in the poem. Now we will see the appreciation of the poem. So, in the appreciation of the poem Night of the Scorpion by Nissim Ezekiel, the poem is written in a free verse without any rhyme scheme or the meter. There are many figures of speech used in the poem. Example onomatopoeia and burst the name of God 100 times. Here we feel we can actually hear the buzzing of the prayers of the many peasants. The other figures of speech are metaphor, simile, alliteration, antithesis, etc. So these are the various figures of speech used in the poem, and you have to explain just one for the appreciation of the poem. The poem depicts the selflessness and unconditional love of a mother who is stung by a scorpion. It is also explained the care and the affection of the villagers and their efforts to comfort the pain of the mother. And even it is also explained the selfless love for their child of mother, because in the last line the mother said that thank god this scorpion bitten to me, not to my children. So here we can say the selfless love in that situation also, how the mother is. So in this way we have seen the appreciation of the poem also. So I hope all of you have understood the figures of speech used in the poem, the various images used in the poem, and the appreciation of the poem also. I'll give you the PDF to write all these figures of speech and the appreciation of the poem in the notebook. So thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.